Randall M. Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Grabbing the trash. And locking the door. Nope. Ooh, man, it's definitely cold out here. Look, there's either frost or snow one, I don't know. Let's see if it's now. Bye bye, trash, trash, trash. Can't do it with my hood down. Good. Hey, look, frost. There's even stuff on the car. Check that out. That's snow. I think it snowed. I think it snowed. Woohoo, snow. Check it out. There's more over here. And over there. Little flowers. There was snow outside.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Oh, fix the washing machine, please.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. What's wrong? Man, I can smell that bleach. Okay. Push the washing machine back. Here's a gap. Well, maybe. Okay. It's back now. Push the dryer back. Make it match. Okay, everything's turn light off. There's my medicine I'm taking. And that is getting the trash, taking it out, and putting the dryer back.